Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be sharing with you how you can add a glam to your home. Oh yeah! In today's video, we will be turning this wonderful home decoration into a glam. And what I will be using to turn this into a glam, I will be using a spray can. I have the silver spray, and I'll be turning this wonderful, beautiful flower decor into a glam. So if you have anything like this in your home and you want to turn it into a glam, all you have to do is to get a spray silver can from Walmart. And now I am just spraying the flower vase, and you spray this, you let it cover all the side of the decor that you're working on. And this is what I'm doing, and you want to make sure you do this in an open space. And I'll be spraying again to make sure everything is well covered, that the paint is well equally dispensed all over the container. So I spray this for a while, and make sure you do this in a well ventilated area, and also try to use a nose mask. So I painted this already, sprayed it silver, and this is ready. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to let this dry for a few minutes, depending on the weather. So I let it air dry for 30 minutes, and this is ready. And now this home decoration glam is ready. Oh yeah! Let me know what you think about this. Do you think this is beautiful? If you have anything in your home that you want to turn into a glam, this is a simple way to do this without breaking a bank. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia Ho. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your loved ones. I love you all. Bye for now.